Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Hotmail login loop problems in 2026. So if you keep getting redirected back to the sign-in page or can't stay logged in, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted login data is one of the most common causes of login loops. Next, try logging in using incognito or private mode. So this disables stored cookies and helps you bypass login issues. Now disable browser extensions like ad blockers or security add-ons. I mean, these tools can sometimes block Microsoft login scripts. So yeah, make sure your internet is stable and turn off any VPN or proxy. Microsoft login systems may block unusual network routes. If the loop continues, reset your password. This refreshes your authentication session and fixes stuck login states. So yeah, switch to another browser or device. Sometimes the issue is specific to one browser only, and that's how to fix Hotmail login loop problems in 2026. Once your cache, browser settings, and login session are reset, your account should sign in normally again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more Hotmail and Outlook troubleshooting tutorials. Hey everyone!